Hi everyone, my name is Vishal. I'm a Microsoft certified Power BI data analyst. In this video, I'm going to cover what a data warehouse is in a simplest way possible. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of why it's important and how it's differ from a regular database. So let's get started. Data warehouse. What exactly is it? You might have heard this term often, but let's break it down in a simplest way possible. Think of it as just another relational database, but with the key difference, it's designed specifically for analytics. A data warehouse stores structured data in rows and columns, just like MySQL, Postgres, or SQL Server. But here is the important part. It's not used for transactional processing like an OLTP database, which handles real time transactions. Instead, a data warehouse is built for OLAP, online analytical processing, where data is structured and optimized for reporting and analysis. So, how is data warehouse built? In simple terms, it's consolidated data from multiple sources. These sources could be operational databases, flat files like Excel, CSVs, or even APIs. All this data is extracted, transformed, and loaded. What we call a ETL or sometimes ELT into a centralized relational database, which we call a data warehouse. Now, you might be wondering, how is this different from a normal database then? Well, let's take a quick comparison between OLTP and OLAP system. OLTP system, like a banking database, are optimized for fast insertion, updates, and deletion. They handle multiple short transactions per second, things like transferring money or making any kind of a purchase. But OLAP systems, like a data warehouse, are different. They store historical data and are optimized for complex queries that analyze large datasets. In OLTP system, we focus on speed and accuracy for a day-to-day transactions, and in OLAP, the goal is performance in analytics, things like trend analysis, forecasting, and decision making. So, to sum it up, data warehouse is a specialized relational database designed for analytics. It consolidates structured data from multiple sources and enables businesses to gain insights from historical trend. Unlike OLTP databases, which handles real-time transactions, data warehouses are optimized for querying and reporting. And that's all about the short info I have to offer about the data warehouse. And I hope I have broken it down in a way that makes it easier to understand. In the next video, I'm planning to cover dimensional modeling, in which I'm going to talk about different types of dimension tables and fact tables and how they work. And I'm also thinking about covering the topic like different types of schemas, star schema and snowflake schema. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to cover these topics as well, and I'll break them down for you in a simplest way possible. And most importantly, if you like the video, please give it a like, drop a comment to let me know what you found useful, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Also, don't forget to reshare and repost it so more people can benefit from it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.